Hi Mary, what did you want to talk with me about?
Well, Brian, I've been talking for a while about lean and continuous improvement around here. Have you given any thought to it?
As a matter of fact, I have. I just don't think we need it. We're doing very well financially. Our margins are great.
But, Brian, have you considered that there is a lot of waste in our processes and we're constantly firefighting? If we were better at solving problems, we could be much more productive.
But that's just it. We need our people to solve problems, but isn't lean about implementing 5S, one-piece flow, pull systems, things like that?
I think you have a misunderstanding of what lean is all about. Sure, 5S, one-piece flow, and pull systems are all important, but lean is much more than that. Lean tools are important, but, fundamentally, lean is about turning our people into problem solvers, teaching them to think.
Go on.
Well, at Toyota, whose system is the basis for lean, everything they do is aimed at developing people. People are their most important asset. And, at any organization, whether it is a life science organization, an auto manufacturer, a financial institution, or anything else, people development is key to success. Lean should be a system to teach people to think, to become problem solvers, and to ultimately make problem solvers out of others.
Wow. I never heard that before. Any company would have a competitive advantage if its workforce could outthink the competition. How do you think that this would help us at ABC Biotech?
Well, I've been thinking about it, and I've noticed that we have a lot of checking and inspections in our processes. In fact, over the years, we've added layers of checking in response to problems. In other words, our problem-solving process has been to add additional checks to catch problems downstream.
True, but all of the life science companies I've worked for over many years have done it exactly the same way. It's just standard practice in our industry.
But, what if we changed all of that? In the automotive industry, there were a lot of standard practices before Toyota started challenging those practices. What if we created an organization full of problem solvers looking for ways to improve?
Would you be interested in speaking to the executive team about this? I think this is worth exploring. And, where can I go and learn more about this?
I'd be happy to speak to the management team. And, as to where you can learn more, I've learned most of this from my friends at EMS Consulting Group. Their website is emsstrategies.com. If you talk with them, tell them I sent you.
Awesome. Will do.